Want to make your edits look next level? In this short video, I'll show you some quick tricks that'll instantly boost your transitions, motion, and overall vibe. Whether you're editing on CapCut, even your phone, these small details will make a huge difference. Let's get started. So, first I'll start off with adding a white flash transition between scenes. If you're using scenes and want to split dialogues, it is an easy way to cut it short and adding some SFX like a photo shutter sound. Next, to make my first transition effect, I'll use silk.screen effect right at the beat. Just follow my steps. Now here you can see this nice effect at the transition. Now to make it more better, I'll add shake to it. Next, I'm going to add the same white flash effect, but we're going to make some changes to it. Switching it to overlay and fixing the keyframes and the values, here is the difference. Next, I'll add this overlay on my clip to give it the ripple effect, changing its blend mode to screen. Now it looks really different from our before results, much better. Now I am going to copy some of these effects in my next clips as well. White flashes for the beats mostly. We can also add a fade out effect. We will add opacity, keyframes, and lower it in the end of the clip, but not completely. Next effect is desaturating and lowering the exposure. Now it looks better. Now doing the same process on other clips. Now here I'll add a ghost effect on this clip. I already have made a tutorial on how to make this effect. After this is done, I'll just add same effects on the next clips. In the end, I will black flash effect and adjust its values to how I see it fit, and here are the results.
If you find it helpful, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe for more content. And what tutorial should I make next?